Hello everyone, this is Salam from Paste Media, and in this video let me show you how to change your WordPress admin password or username password from phpMyAdmin by editing the database. Yeah, you can change the password, you can change the username. Yeah, you can add new username to new user too, so yeah, you can edit it. Generally, when you forgot a password or you want to change a password, lose your password, you can go to lose your password and reset your password. But in some cases you may not have lost access to your email there, but you have access to the phpMyAdmin or the control panel of your website. In that case, you can edit your database to change the password. In some plugins, WordPress plugins like WP Hide or those plugins, those security plugins that alter the htaccess file. If there is any issues with those plugins, security plugins, you may lose access to your phpMyAdmin admin panel in that, or your lost password. In that case, you can edit the database. So let me show you how. Let's go to the phpMyAdmin. This is for localhost. For those lab server, you can go to cpanel and phpMyAdmin. After you go to phpMyAdmin from your control panel, then go to the database of your WordPress website. Here there is users, table called users. You can go to it. Here is our user 1, ID 1, admin. You can change it here by editing admin, username admin, and password. Here is the password. You can call it password. You can enter the password here, and encryption mode it should be MD5. okay, and you can change the email, you can change the display name. For now, let's change the password and click go. Now the password has been changed, and let's try login again. Here username is still admin, password is password. Login. Now like this you can edit your user data from the database through phpMyAdmin. Through this you can change the username, password, user email, and you can delete users. Here you can delete the user, or you can add new user like this. And I hope this video is helpful to you. Most of you may have known this way of changing password or recovering password, but many of the beginners, WordPress beginners, may not have known this. So yeah, this is for those beginners, those who have known the way to change password like this. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.